Hey man, I think it's safe to say nobody expected this restock to ever happen. Let's go ahead and get to today's video, man. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping in to yet another video, man. Your boy The Vintage is back. We're gonna be dropping you guys content every day if possible, and I hope you guys are enjoying the content we have been bringing y'all. Tomorrow we got a nice early exclusive look that we'll be dropping for you guys. So make sure right now, if you're new to the channel, man, sub up right now. Hit the notification bell for your boy, and please leave a huge like on today's video. We want to get every single video. I want to push that back out again. We're trying to get every single video to surpass 500 likes. So if you watch right now, man, please stop what you're doing. Hit that like button right now for your boy. All right, man. So let's go ahead and get into this package right here. So like I said in the intro, I feel like it is safe to say, like, nobody expected this restock to happen. You know, people was like, yo, it's done for. We never getting these again. And then out of nowhere, you know what I'm saying, we got a crazy re-collaboration and we got these sneakers. Let's go ahead and unbox these joints real quick. A lot of you guys probably already know exactly what these are, but you know, we got to build the anticipation up. We got to build that hype up, that excitement. What your boy The Vintage is talking about, man. So let's go ahead and get into here. A little easy box to open up, you know what I'm saying? Didn't need no knife or nothing like that, which is always a plus, man. So let's go ahead and peel these joints open, and yes sir, we got them in, bruh. We got them in. I didn't think I was gonna hit on anything, but your boy lucked up and lucked out, and we got him, man. Let's go ahead and peel him out the box, and yes sir, we have it. A pair of Adidas slides, man. So you guys know exactly what restock we're talking about. Kanye and Adidas collaborating again and dropping Yeezy products. If you guys don't know, last year, like I said, they dropped Kanye all the way. They stopped selling his products, and they went as far as saying, this might just be some rumors, but they went as far as saying they're gonna burn all the products that they did make with Kanye West, or the statements that they did make, you know, on a couple different podcasts. And not even a year later, I don't even think this was a full year ago, we just got another, you know, drop of Adidas Kanye products, Yeezys, you know what I'm saying? So here we have it. You guys see we got a pair of slides, and it was two pairs of slides that did restock on Yeezy Day. It was a pair of the blue ones, I think it's called the Azures, and then you have the Onyx, which is the all black pair. I think I'm pronouncing that right, I do not know. Don't bash me down below in the comments. But real quick, before we even jump into this one, I want you guys to let me know right now down below in the comment section, man, which sneakers did you hit on during the restock on Yeezy Day? It had 2 days restocks. Of course, the most hyped ones being, in my opinion, the Adidas, you know, Carbon Belugas. You had the Zebras, and you had the Pirate Blacks. And I feel like me, I really want the Pirate Blacks, because I never seen them in hand. I never even, you know, been close to a pair of Pirate Blacks. So that's another pair I feel like gonna be on my grill list. You guys probably gonna see a grill unboxing here shortly of me grabbing them joints. I really want those and the Turtle Doves. Don't really, you know, rock my, you know, they don't even fit my style no more. I was telling that to the homie. I was like, bro, I don't even wear my Yeezys. But I just think it's more of a collector's aspect of me wanting, you know, the Pirate Blacks and the Turtle Doves. Because this is at one point in time, I thought I would never be able to get a pair. Not a resale, isn't a more reasonable price. Like I said, y'all drop your comments down below. Let me know which pairs you hit on. This is one of two pairs that did hit on during Yeezy Day restock. I didn't think I was gonna hit on anything after a couple complications with, you know, me putting my shipping address, you know, payment information and stuff like that. But we got a couple of pairs, man. So here goes the first one, Yeezy Slide, and this is the Onyx pair, man. Onyx all the way across. And they told you to go up a whole size. It's my first time doing that. Let's go ahead and get into it, bro. Let's go ahead and get into these bad boys. And yes, sir, we have them. A pair of Onyx Yeezy Slides. I told you guys my first Yeezy Slide video, which I dropped maybe 3-4 years ago. This is before the hype of the Yeezy Slides. I told you guys these are one of the most comfortable, you know, pairs of anything to throw on your feet to wear on a day-to-day basis. And it got to a point for me where I wore my Yeezy Slides almost every day. And no matter what the fit was, I was throwing on my Yeezy Slides. And now we have another pair to the collection, man. There's nothing really to show you guys. You know, of course, you got your Adidas logo. The insole of these guys right here, it's not really an insole, just stamped on the sneaker. And you have no Yeezy branded anywhere besides on under the sandal part of these Yeezy Slides, man. So I love them. Like I said, all black pretty much, so you can wear them with literally anything. You guys see the ridges, bro. I think that's what really makes that, you know, nice comfortable fit. And it's almost like, you know, you got the Yeezy boost inside of, you know, all your 350s and most of your 700 if I'm not mistaken. I feel like they just molded all that joint into one, you know, blob, and they made the Yeezy Slides, man. So here you have it. Like I said, a restock we did not expect to happen again. We finally got them, and it's not, like I said, nothing really too crazy to break down. I did hit on another pair of Yeezys. I'm not gonna do anything crazy with that. I might show those on an unboxing with the early pair because they are expected to be here tomorrow, so I can show you guys what your boy DaVinci hit on. I am hearing rumors that later this year we'll be getting another Yeezy Day restock, and it's gonna be, you know what I'm saying, some more of those leftover pairs, and it's gonna be a bunch of other colorways and other, you know, models that we haven't really been getting. And I think they were scheduled to, you know, originally drop late last year and this year, so they're gonna do, you know, another Yeezy Day restock later on in 2023. And I don't think this is it, man. Like, it's either Kanye goes to a whole nother brand, or he kind of mends together what he had broken apart with Adidas and continue to, you know, drop colorways, continue to drop different models for people to actually do only buy Adidas because of Kanye West. Like, they literally seen all the money that they made within those 2 days of the restock of the Yeezy Day. They said, bruh, it's no way we're gonna, you know, even amount to that, you know, again without Kanye's name. Let's do something crazy with another artist. And I really don't see any other influencers or any other models that Adidas can come out with to break, you know, Yeezy's, you know, threshold, their revenue, even the likeness of a model of, you know, Kanye West's Yeezy's models. I just don't see it happening. So there's a couple people watching today's video that got a little bit more info about that Yeezy Day restock. You guys go ahead and comment it down below. Y'all gotta share the wealth. You gotta share the, you know, all the information with everybody watching. I told you guys that people come to this video and they read the comments, so go ahead and drop your comments, thoughts, and opinions. You know, saying people always tapping in, collaborating down below in the comment section. Like I said, drop all your thoughts and opinions in the comment section. Like I said, man, another pair of Yeezys added to the collection, and y'all, like I said, it's gonna be another unboxing here shortly, and a grill unboxing that I haven't done in a while. We haven't done a grill series in a little minute. Definitely got to get another grill in the collection, and I'm already telling y'all right now, the Turtle Doves and the Pirate Blacks is up there. I appreciate all of the support, man. Thanks for tapping into yet another video. The restock we did not expect to happen, and I'm hearing it's going to happen again. So you guys stay tuned for all that information, you know, restocks and all that stuff by subscribing right now to the channel and hit the notification bell for your boy. And please do a huge like before you start out today's video. 500 likes on every single video is a goal, and I know we can do it. Let's get that 100K together, man. And honestly, feels like we already have 100K. All the love and support you guys have been showing, it is greatly appreciated, man. Again, thanks for tapping into today's video. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.